Hello, how to solve this is t power 3 equals 3. We are solving for the value of t that satisfies this equation. So we are going to consider two different methods. Now I can start by replacing, I can say let x equals t power 3. So we replace this with x. That means I'm going to have t power x equals 3. Then I can make use of natural log. I have natural log of t to the power of x equals natural log of 3. And from here, if you have natural log of a power p, this is p times natural log of a. So this will be x times natural log of t equals natural log of 3. Now, if x equals t power 3, I can simply have, this is x equals t power 3. That means x power 1 over 3 equals t power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 3, because I want to isolate this t. If I multiply this out, this cancel this, that means t equals x power 1 over 3. So this t here, I'm going to replace it with x power 1 over 3, making these variables to be uniform. So I'm going to have x times natural log of x power 1 over 3 equals natural log of 3. And we go back to the same identity. Natural log of a power p equals p times natural log of a. So the 1 over 3 count behind this, I'm going to have x times 1 over 3 of natural log of x equals natural log of 3. So from here, multiplying this, I have x over 3 times natural log of x equals natural log of 3. I can multiply each part of this equation by 3. So this is x over 3 times natural log of x times 3 equals natural log of 3 times 3. So multiplying this by 3, this will be 3x divided by 3 times natural log of x equals 3 times natural log of 3. If you multiply natural log of 3 by 3, this cancels this. So we'll have x times natural log of x equals 3 times natural log of 3. Now there's x here, there's 3 here, there's x here, and there's 3 here. That means I can compare and have x equals 3. So if x equals 3, I can easily make use of this. I can solve for t. Remember, t equals x power 1 over 3. That means t equals x power 1 over 3. That means t equals 3 power 1 over 3, because our x is 3. And this simply means we can have the cube root of 3 to the power of 1, which is the cube root of 3. Remember, a power 1 over n equals the n root of a, right? So that is our t. This is obviously one way. We can solve this using another way, simpler way. T power 3 equals 3. I can raise this to the power of 3 because of this 3 here, and raise this to the power of 3. Then I can make use of this. You have a power x raised to the power of y. This equals a power y raised to the power of x. This t power 3 here will represent my x, and this will represent my y. So I switch the powers using this. I will simply have it is constant, which is t to the power of x. This is now y, which is 3. And this is raised to the power of x, which is t power 3. And this equals 3 power 3. If you observe, there's 3 here. There's t power 3, there's t power 3 here. So if you have x power x equals y power y, that means x equals y. So using that here, I can have t power 3 equals 3. Then solving for t, I need to eliminate this 3. Of t power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 3 equals 3 raised to the power of 1 over 3. So this cancels this, right? So what I'm going to have will be t equals 3 power 1 over 3. And this equals the cube root of 3. Remember, if you have a power 1 over n equals the n root of a. So we have gotten the same solution here, just like what we had earlier here. And the two methods are, this one is very short. You can check, remember our t is the cube root of 3 or 3 power 1 over 3. Then we have t power 3 equals 3. I can make use of this for t. I will have 3 power 1 over 3. That's my t here. Raised to the power of 3 power 1 over 3. There's t here. Raised to the power of 3. That is the 3 here. And this equals 3. You have a power n. Raised to the power of m equals a power n times m. I can multiply this out. 3 cancel 3. So what I'm going to have will simply be 3 power 1 over 3 raised to the power of 3, because this cancels that and this equals 3. Now I can also apply this identity right here. 3 times 1, that is 3. I have 3 power 3 times 1, that is 3 divided by 3 equals 3. This will give us 1. And from here, I have 3 equals 3. So the both sides are the same, and this shows that our answer is obviously very correct. So any of these methods you can easily use depending on what you want. You have the same answer, guys. You have the same answer. The first method was making use of natural log. Then you need to substitute this with x. Then in the second method, we just simply make use of this changes of powers. Raise each part to the power of 3. Then we change the powers, and we're able to sort out and solve for t. As simple as that. So that is it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and goodbye.